How'd you go? Did you visualize a single image? Was it pizza, steak, or sushi? Well, I hope you gave it a shot. Let's now do it together, hey? So we'll start by getting a batch of images, because we turned our data, our images, into data loaders, which is batches of images and labels. So we'll get an image batch and a label batch to go along with that. And that'll be in next iter. We turn it into an iterator. So this is take train data loader, turn it into a Python iterator, and get the next sample from it. And then we can select a single one. So get a single image and label from the batch, and we'll just get the first one, hey? Image label equals image batch, we'll index on the above, image batch 0, we get the first one, and label batch 0. And then finally, we can view the batch shapes, just for fun. Always good to check out shapes. And image shape.label, yep, that's what we need. Oh, we're not really viewing the batch shapes there, are we? We'll view the single shapes, single image and label shapes. So we've got an image shape of 3 for color channels, red, green, and blue, 224, 224 for our image, which is in line with the image size that we set here, and also in line with the vit paper for table 3. If we go back up here, training resolution is 224. That's what we're focused on doing. And there's our label, which is just a scalar, which is 0. So let's have a look at the plot of that image. So we'll go plot the image with matplotlib. Now we imported matplotlib before. We want to import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. And then we can go plt.imshow, and we go image. We have to permute it though, because matplotlib likes color channels last. So I'll just write this down. We want to go from color channels, height, width. This is what permute does. I'm just going to change the order of the axes to, or the dimensions to have the color channels on the end. That's why we go 0 on the end there. Then we go plt.title, and then we can go class names. We pass in the label. Label is just there. We're just going to index on the class names list, and we'll go finally plot. Do we want the axes? No, we don't. Just to make it nice and clean. Wonderful. We've got a pizza. Now that's a all right looking pizza. Can we get one that looks a little bit better? That's a steak. It's always fun visualizing images. There's another steak. Let's get a good looking image, hey? Of course, this is always going to change because it's random. Okay, this one looks good to me. So we've got our image. Looks like our images have been loaded correctly. Now let's start to, I think the only next step is to start talking about how we're going to replicate the vision transformer. We're going to have to put a few pieces of the puzzle together. And the main one is the vision transformer figure 1, because it's nice and visual. And we can see that we have some sort of input and we have some sort of output. But let's start to break this down, hey? I'll see you in the next video.